It's been a long winter, and you're noticing there's a little something left behind that may be tough to get rid of. Stop fearing that leftover salt and follow this quick and easy recipe to combat it. Here's how to really get rid of those salt stains. It all starts with vinegar. How much will depend on what you're trying to get the stains out of. For car mats and carpets, get yourself an empty spray bottle and fill it with a 50-50 mix of water and vinegar. Grab yourself some form of bristle brush and start spraying. Be sure to dab out the excess spray and salt with a towel when you're done. And if you hate that vinegar smell, simply add a few drops of lavender or even lemon juice to the mix. Remember, the more caked on it is, the more you're going to be scrubbing. The spray can definitely be used on many fabrics and larger stains. However, for things like shoes and boots, simply mix 1 tablespoon of vinegar into some water. Wipe and dab very carefully along the stains and make sure not to oversaturate. Once again, dab dry to get out the excess salt. This should be safe for both suede and sheepskin boots, but go slowly and don't get it too wet. Winter can be harsh, but don't let salt stains get the best of you this spring. Give this at-home solution a try and start your spring off a little fresher and a little cleaner.